Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can find free domain on internet. So just watch full video. So let's start. So guys, first we have to search for Freenome site on Google. You are watching here Freenome. So I will tell you some sites today. So the first site is Freenome. So search it on Google and you will find this site. Then I'm going to tell you what types of domain you can get free from here. So look at here, free domains. You can find .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .jq. Okay, so this is the first site. You can watch here. This is for the time period of 1 to 12 months. Free to renew. You can renew it, no any cost. So pricing is free because it's free. So let's tell you about second site. Second site is biz.ly. Okay, so you have to search biz.ly on Google and you will find this site. So this site is actually, there's double benefit. You can find free domain with free hosting. So I'm gonna show you full plan, free hosting plan. Here you will find 50 MB of free web space plus 1000 MB monthly bandwidth, free domain name address such as www.yourdomainname.biz.ly. So here you will find the extension which is .biz.ly. Like if you are gonna choose any domain like Hamara Restaurant, so the website name will be like www.hamararestaurant.biz.ly. So there is no problem in any extension. If your business is good, then any type of extension can work. So if you don't want to spend any money, then this is a good way for you. You can just start your business with free without any cost. So the next feature is free subdomain hosting. Okay, 3 free email addresses, easy free website builder, free blog and photo album. So this is the plan, guys. I think you must try this because it's totally free. So next site is .page.nf. You're watching here .page.nf, just search it. So I'm clicking on the site. Now I'm going to show you its features. So you will find same thing here, free web hosting plus free domain name. So let's show you the features. 1000 MB of web space, 5000 MB of data transfer, 1 POP3 SMTP webmail, FTP access, file manager, PHP 5.7, MySQL 5, CJIDC. So this is also a good plan at no cost. So if you want to choose this one, then you can go with it because it's awesome. Because it was never available before, like free hosting and free domain name. Means if you wanna start any type of business, any type of blog, you can just do start without any thought, without any region. So the next and last website, so let's start to the last website is 000 web hosting. So guys, these sites are amazing, availing free hosting with free domain. So you must try all these websites. So we are going here 000webhosting.com. So the page is loading. So this is the website. Free web hosting, you are watching here, zero cost website hosting with PHP, MySQL, cPanel and no ads. And you are watching here premium plan is about rupees 95 per month. Free web hosting plan, so you can just watch features of free web hosting plan. You are watching here 0 rupees per month, one website, 300 MB, disk space, limited bandwidth, no email account, 24-hour support. So guys, these deals are amazing because free hosting was never available, so this is the opportunity, you must grab it. So guys, I hope you liked the video, I hope you must try this, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.